Can I just say, pinadala na naman ako ng friend ko ng isa sa pinakasikat na kakanin from Kainta, ang Aling Kika's food products. After ito, nag-good for 24 slices. This is just 250 pesos. 12 by 8 inches ang size and dalawang flavors ng kakanin ay meron. Yung combo na pinili for me ay sapin-sapin na sobrang tagal ko na atang di nakakatikim, and itong bibingka na lumaki akong tawag ko ay rice cake. Ito talaga yung ultimate favorite ko na type ng kakanin. Yung sapin-sapin has a nice chew, hindi lasang hilaw yung glutinous flour, and malalasahan mo yung flavor ng gata na sapat lang yung sweetness. Masarap din yung makapuno topping na nag-add ng texture in every bite. Itong bibingka naman nila is really my standard for this. Perfectly baked yung latik topping, hindi mapait, hindi rin overcook. Madalas kasi tumitigas to and hindi perfect bite kapag na-overcook or sobra sa init. Nakakanin is good quality malagkit rice. Hindi yung nagpe-pretend lang na dikit-dikit pero di naman talaga real. Ay, it's really the bite and chew to these na sobrang nagpasarap. Hindi super soft, mushy, hindi rin matigas, just our Filipino delicacy done right. Meron sila mga social media pages pero via phone call lang ang reservation and order. Here's the menu and contact, pause for reference. Overall, di ko naman masasabi na ito ang best in the metro dahil wala naman ako masyadong maraming comparison. But definitely, this is my favorite. The lines can get really long in store kaya alam mong masarap talaga to. Even locals line up for it. I was shocked when I saw the price. I cannot believe something this good can be very affordable. And ang sarap talaga mag-support sa mga local stores promoting our own Filipino products. Kaya I say, go na, try mo na.